Do you see that? That right there? That's straggler? Nope, no way, no go. These brows are in big trouble. They need help. Lucky for us, we have the perfect beauty device to fix this situation. The Finishing Touch Flawless Brow, my lifesaver. Let me show you how easy it is to get started with this product. First, you have to put the battery in. It's simple. You just remove the cap, hold the top and bottom parts of the unit, and pull to reveal the battery compartment. Pop the AAA battery that's included with your device into the battery compartment, slide it all into place, and you're ready to go. To get started, slide the switch to the on position and you'll see this little light come on. Finishing Touch Flawless Brows is for use on clean, dry skin. No creams or cosmetic residue. So, pick out the area you want to target and gently pull your skin tight. Move the device in small back and forth motions, gently removing hair. In just a few minutes, you'll have picture-perfect brows. It's that easy. Immediately following use, it's important to free the head of hair. But don't worry, it's quick and easy. Make sure the unit is off, and then twist the head counterclockwise and lift off to remove it. Use the cleaning brush to wipe away the hair on the cutting surface and inside of the head. After cleaning, replace the head back on the unit, twist clockwise, and you're done. Also, if your device ever seems to be running slowly or dragging, it may need to be cleaned, or you may just need to replace the battery. Seriously, the Finishing Touch Flawless Brow is perfect. It's easy, it's quick, it's convenient, and you can take it on the go. Plus, it's pain-free. No tug, no pull, no irritation. Just perfect brows whenever you need them.